Today, spy gadgets aren't just for movies. They're real and available on Amazon. From hidden cameras to secret listening devices, these cool tools blend technology and stealth, helping you feel like a secret agent while improving security at home or work. You can find the links to all the mentioned gadgets in the description below. Number 20. Button Spy Camera. This button spy camera offers a discreet and innovative way to capture video, seamlessly blending into any environment. Designed to resemble a regular shirt button, it provides covert filming capabilities with 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second, ensuring clear and detailed footage. While it does not record audio, its RTSP functionality allows for live video streaming on platforms like YouTube Live, though it is not suitable for video calls. Using the camera is straightforward. Simply plug it into a Type-C Android smartphone and open the USB camera app to start recording. It also supports photo capture, with files automatically saved to your smartphone's internal storage for easy access and sharing. This compact and practical device is perfect for those in need of a subtle and effective recording solution. Number 19. Tile Pro Bluetooth Tracker. If you need a reliable way to keep track of your car, luggage, or even your kids, the Tile Pro Bluetooth Tracker is an excellent choice. While it may not be a high-tech spy gadget, its practicality and efficiency make it perfect for everyday use. It offers real-time location tracking and a strong Bluetooth connection with a range of up to 500 feet, 150 meters, ensuring you can quickly locate your belongings. The replaceable battery lasts up to a year, so you don't have to worry about frequent charging, and its IP68 water-resistant rating means it can withstand exposure to water and dust. If you ever misplace your phone, simply use the Tile Tracker to make it ring, even if it's on silent. Additionally, in an emergency, the device allows you to send an SOS alert to your loved ones discreetly, providing an extra layer of security when you need it most. Number 18. Mini Keychain Camera. The Mini Keychain Camera is a compact, thumb-sized 1080p HD camcorder designed for convenience and versatility. Featuring a 160-degree wide-angle 2-megapixel lens, it captures vivid and colorful footage while keeping a clear record of people and events. Equipped with a built-in color screen, it allows real-time video monitoring, and its simple 3-button design makes it easy to operate. Just select a mode after booting up and start recording instantly. With a 180 mAh polymer lithium battery, it offers up to 100 minutes of recording time, supports charging while recording, and is compatible with various power sources via a micro USB interface. Its compact and lightweight build makes it easy to carry. Number 17. Invisible Watch. This device is ideal for high school and college students, marketed as the world's first smartwatch specifically designed with privacy and security in mind. Its most notable feature is the screen, which can only be viewed from a specific angle, ensuring that anyone trying to sneak a look sees only a blank display. For enhanced protection, an upgraded version is available that requires special glasses to access the information. Along with its privacy features, the smartwatch offers typical functionalities such as a color display, a 10-hour battery life on a single charge, and built-in storage. The base model includes 4 GB of memory, which provides ample space for storing study notes or other essential data. Number 16. Mini Voice Recorder. One of my top picks for spy gadgets for adults is the TalkCoder 64 GB digital voice recorder. Disguised as a sleek ballpoint pen, it features a one-touch recording function with noise reduction technology for clearer audio. Simply rotate it clockwise to extend the refill, allowing you to write and record at the same time. This recorder boasts impressive capabilities, including 64 GB of storage, enough to hold up to 2,400 hours of audio in WAV format. Its 270 mAh rechargeable battery provides up to 20 hours of continuous recording and 30 hours of playback with headphones. Additionally, it supports automatic voice-activated recording, ensuring it only captures relevant sounds while conserving storage and battery life. Number 15. Okaser Spy Wireless USB Charger. This discrete surveillance device is designed to mimic a standard USB charger, allowing it to blend seamlessly into various indoor settings. It records footage in 1080p HD resolution, delivering clear and detailed visuals for effective monitoring. The device also enables users to remotely access live video feeds through a compatible app, allowing real-time surveillance from smartphones or tablets. Setting up the Okaser Spy camera is simple. Plug it into a power outlet, connect it to a Wi-Fi network via the app, and you're ready to go. Once set up, users can monitor live video, adjust settings, and review recorded footage directly from their mobile devices. However, it's important for prospective buyers to carefully consider these features along with potential limitations and ensure their use of the device complies with legal and ethical standards. Number 14. Spy Earphone Wireless Earpiece Headset Microphone. It offers a wireless connection for seamless audio transmission, allowing for clear communication without detection. The small and lightweight design ensures it can be worn comfortably for extended periods, making it ideal for undercover work or situations requiring privacy. The earpiece comes equipped with a built-in microphone for capturing sound, and it is capable of pairing with compatible devices to enable real-time communication. The reliable wireless range allows for ease of movement, while the long-lasting battery ensures it can be used for several hours without needing frequent recharging. This device is designed for individuals seeking a discrete audio solution, making it useful for various surveillance or professional applications where subtlety is essential. Number 13. Spy Bottle. Water bottles make an ideal covert tool, as their inconspicuous design allows them to blend seamlessly into everyday life. The Tacticon water bottle has been specifically crafted with this in mind. This is far from an ordinary water bottle. Hidden within its cap is a high-quality surveillance camera. Equipped with motion detection, the camera connects easily to your devices via Bluetooth. The bottle is powered by a battery and uses Skylink Nexia as its controller. This clever gadget is a fantastic purchase, offering excellent functionality while remaining virtually undetectable, as no one would ever expect a water bottle to be equipped with such advanced surveillance technology, perfect for discrete monitoring. Number 12. The Spy Bolt. It looks like a real screw, offering heavyweight construction for perfect concealment. Ideal for storing small items like pills, money, powder, or emergency cash, it is easy to use and clean. With dimensions of 7 centimeters, it has received positive feedback from customers for its sturdy build, clever design, and realistic appearance. Many users find the hidden compartment effective for concealing small valuables such as jewelry, cash, and important documents. However, some users note that the size is smaller than expected, and opinions on its weight vary, with some expecting a heavier product for added security. Despite this, the Bolt Safe serves as a discreet and practical solution for personal storage. Number 11. Uzimo Super Sensitive Through Wall Contact. The Inspector Gadget audio listening device is a straightforward yet effective tool designed to capture conversations through walls and other barriers. It is highly sensitive, so it's recommended to adjust the audio gradually to prevent discomfort while using the earphones. To operate, simply power on the device, insert the earphones, place the sensor on the wall, and listen to the amplified sound. The device works by detecting vibrations caused by sound waves. When people speak, their voices create vibrations in nearby surfaces, such as walls, ceilings, and floors. The sensor picks up these vibrations and amplifies them, allowing you to hear the conversation. If the sound is faint, you can adjust the volume using the dial on the back of the device to increase amplification and improve clarity. Number 10. DuboCam Clock Camera. The clock camera is a covert surveillance device that streams full HD 1080p footage, offering crystal clear live viewing directly on your mobile device. Its advanced night vision feature, powered by 5 infrared LEDs, allows for stealthy monitoring in complete darkness, illuminating up to 15 feet, ensuring maximum visibility even in low light environments. The 140-degree wide-angle lens ensures a full room view, capturing every corner without any blind spots. With smart motion detection, it sends instant alerts to your phone, allowing you to quickly assess and respond to any suspicious activity. This discreet device ensures you're always a step ahead in securing your space, whether you're at home, the office, or on the go. Perfect for maintaining total privacy and safety. Number 9. Loyly Drone. This drone is equipped with an upgraded altitude hold function, ensuring smooth, steady flight and precise control. With voice control and gesture selfie capabilities, you can operate the drone hands-free and capture stunning photos. The 90-degree adjustable lens gives you flexibility to capture unique angles, while the 3D flip feature injects some thrilling acrobatic moves into your flights. Thanks to its 2 rechargeable batteries, the drone offers 25 to 30 minutes of flight time, keeping you in the air longer for uninterrupted missions. These batteries are not only easy to charge and swap, but also come with built-in overvoltage protection, ensuring safe and secure operation every time. Number 8. Hexam Night Vision Goggles. These night vision goggles are capable of capturing high-definition photos and 4K HD videos, offering excellent optical clarity in daylight, low light, or complete darkness. With 36 million pixel photos, it ensures sharp, detailed images even in low visibility conditions. The motion detection feature can be activated for recording video of fast-moving animals or monitoring someone, while the built-in anti-shake function ensures steady images and videos. Powered by a 5,000 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery, these infrared night vision binoculars come equipped with an 850 nanometer infrared illuminator, enabling clear vision in total darkness for hours. Number 7. Security Wall Outlet. This is a compact and discreet surveillance tool, cleverly disguised as a wall outlet, making it nearly undetectable. It offers high-definition video capture, ensuring clear and detailed footage for indoor security. The camera connects via Wi-Fi, allowing you to monitor your space remotely using a smartphone or tablet. Equipped with cutting-edge night vision technology, this secret camera features 5 infrared LEDs that illuminate up to 15 feet in total darkness, ensuring you can monitor your space even in low light conditions. Designed with a 140-degree ultra-wide-angle lens, it offers a comprehensive view of the entire room, capturing every corner with stunning clarity, eliminating blind spots, and ensuring complete coverage. The Sirga camera is a versatile and discreet device that allows you to record full HD videos or take high-quality pictures with ease. Thanks to its motion detection and simple one-click operation, it is compact enough to be carried in a shirt pocket or clipped onto a notebook, making it perfect for use in various settings, including offices and schools. The camera is compatible with both Mac and PC devices, and transferring data is a breeze with the included USB plug-in and USB reader. Equipped with a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, it can record continuously for up to 70 minutes on a single charge. Additionally, the pen doubles as a regular writing tool, making it a convenient and multifunctional gadget for everyday use. Coin. The secret compartment coin is a clever tool that combines practicality and stealth. This authentic US Mint coin, priced at $25, has a hidden compartment designed to hold a microcard securely. Imagine a scenario where you're at a crowded cafe and you need to discreetly store your sensitive data. With this coin, you can store your microcard in plain sight while keeping it completely out of view from prying eyes. Its compact design ensures your important information remains safe, offering both security and subtlety in any situation. Number 2. Camera watch. This watch is designed to look like an ordinary watch. It secretly integrates a hidden HD camera. With one-click recording, simply press the record button to start capturing video, and the lock screen button ensures the video remains private by instantly entering black screen mode. The camera auto-saves when the battery is low and offers approximately 2 hours of loop recording with a 30-day standby time. The watch's battery status is displayed on the screen for easy monitoring, and it fully charges in just 2 hours. Equipped with a 32GB storage card, the watch can store about 180 minutes of video, supporting loop recording. When the storage fills up, older video files are overwritten, so it's recommended to back up files as needed. Number 1. Ampere Dusk. This pair of glasses lets you control the tint level at your convenience. With a simple button on the frame, you can adjust the tint to your preferred level, offering customizable comfort for any lighting condition. These glasses not only provide crystal clear sound, but also allow you to enjoy music, podcasts, audiobooks, and take hands-free calls, all while maintaining discretion. The lenses are polarized and block 100% of UVA and UVB rays. They are also shatter and scratch resistant, making them durable and reliable. Weighing less than 1 ounce, these ultralight glasses are designed for comfort with TR90 material and adjustable nose pads for a perfect fit on any face. With an impressive battery life, a single charge gives you up to 7 days of tint control through the app and over 4 hours of audio playtime. So that's it. We are glad that you watched till the end, and if you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe for more awesome videos.